Welcome everybody, this is Chris from Christoph Joseph Leather, and I'm in my little workshop today doing a little promotional video and talk about a few things and also show a little bit of work that's going on. So anyways, I'm going to be having a sale on my website, ChristopHJosephLeather.com, and this video is to kind of direct everybody to go there, you know, if you want to purchase something. Everything I make is made from scratch, one of a kind, one piece at a time, you know, and I want every piece that I make to really emulate that it's handmade, which it is, you know, hand tooled. Even the laser engraved wallets are handmade, you know, from scratch, and there's time put into them, and that's what I want to convey, that everything I make is here in Los Angeles, California. I'm a proud patriot. You know, I like to make patriotic leather gear, Christian faith-based stuff, Western themes, you know, outdoors and wilderness, stuff like that, and some nice, you know, luxurious, high-end looking fashion stuff. So with that, you know, at the end of this video, I'll put the link. You know, I used to sell on Etsy, and that site is my shop is actually temporarily shut down right now. Plus they charge high fees there, you know, to sell. So I'm trying to gear towards more direct sales on my website versus even TikTok, you know. So I'm posting this video on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, but, you know, I have a shop on different platforms, like a TikTok shop. I have a Shopify shop, you know, Facebook, whatever, marketplace shop, and also on eBay, but I prefer, like I said, to sell on my website directly. It's easier that way, and I don't get charged all the fees, you know, because it ain't easy surviving here in California. The cost of living is very high. That's kind of why, like, my prices are set what they are. You know, you may think $120, $150, $200 wallet is expensive, but, you know, figure I put 12, 16, 20 hours in some wallets. You know, it's like I'm doing it more for the passion, though. You know, but I'm not really making a lot of money off of them. But I put my heart into it. You know, every piece that I make is going to be made with pride. You know, I'm meticulous as hell. You know, I'm an artisan, and I like to do good work and exceed expectations. So with that, I'm just going to add a couple little clips onto the end of this video of me working on some stuff. I'm doing a, matter of fact, I'll grab it right now. This is my own personal wallet. So anyways, this is a badass Trump wallet, you know, that I hand tooled and made, and a customer saw it, and I don't know if you can see it, but, you know, I'm hand tooling one right now. It's almost done. I gotta spend like a day and a half painting it. It's a lot of work, you know, but it's a lot of artistry. Like, let's turn around and look at my shop real quick, if you can see that. I got some nice tools here from Leather Machine Company. Right there, I got my skiving machine. I got a sewing machine over there. Class 9, I believe that is. And then my splitter back there. And then over here, it's kind of been a work in progress, my little shop. I got a TV, a workbench with hand tooling stuff. And here's where my clicker press is, a hand one, you know. So anyways, there's that. And inside the house, you know, I've taken over the garage, and I've taken over a room in the house, because I mostly like working in the house because I got air conditioning. So that's where I do most of my tooling at. And my laser engraver set up there with a exhaust fan going out the window. And I got a nice sewing machine in there, and it's comfortable. So I love doing this work. Enjoy the video, and I could really use some sales and help right now. Things are slow here in California, and you know, with my Etsy page being kind of temporarily shut down, I could use the sales. So if you guys can help me out, that'd be great. You know, I got a lot of patriot gear. I got a sale still going on from 4th of July. I'm continuing all my patriotic stuff at like a 10-15% discount. So go check it out after you watch this video. Thank you.